Hello guys, this is Richard from Prado Works. We are here once again for an interior upgrade for Land Cruiser Prado, where we had so much interior transformation, and I would like you to come along and witness the interior transformation.
It cannot always be nice.
Sir, flex as you work.
Je suis tombée amoureuse d'un bad boy. Me posez pas de questions, que ça vous plaise, non.
So here we have the door panel restoration. We had a broken door panel, so we worked on the door panel. We did a dashboard repair and transformation as well. We also worked on the seat upholstery, the floor lining, and the headliner. So basically a fully line transformation by Prado Works. And I want you guys to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Contact us if you want any interior works in Kumasi. Contact us in Kumasi. We are right behind the crew foam washing bay, and we'll be ready.